Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to go live on TikTok. The first thing you have to do is open up your app library and search for TikTok. Once you find TikTok, open up TikTok. Once TikTok is opened, on the bottom of your screen you'll see different icons. Select the icon with the plus button. Then the creator page is opened. So here you'll find on the bottom three options: live post create. Select live. So this option is only available if you have more than 1,000 followers and are over 18. Now, once you're on live, to go live, all you have to do is select the go live button, and there will be a countdown, and you will be live. See, now at the moment you are live. People can join in and comment on your live stream. To shut it off, what you need to do is go to the top right corner and tap on the turn off button. Confirm you want to end the stream, tap on the End Now button. And that is how you go live on TikTok. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.